How to play YouTube videos in the background without YouTube Premium on an iPhone. So in the video today, I'll show you how you can actually do that. So let's go ahead and get right into today's video. So firstly, for the very first step is we're not going to use the YouTube app. We're actually going to head over to Safari or Chrome, or this can be any browser. Now, I'm going to use Safari for an example of today's video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Now here, you're going to want to go ahead and type in youtube.com and head over to youtube.com. Now, you're going to want to go ahead and sign into an account if you have one, but if you don't, then that's okay. But we're going to go ahead and click on this video right here. And basically, what we're going to want to go ahead and do is we're basically going to run this video in the background. Now, I'm going to try to find a video without an ad here. So let me just go ahead and actually do that right here really quick, if that is actually even possible. All right. So right here, I'm going to skip this video really quick just to show you guys. So right here, you can see that we now have, this video. Now, what I'm going to go ahead and do is we're going to run this, or actually make this full screen. Now, once we full screen it, we're now going to want to go ahead and turn off our phone. Now, that'll actually go ahead and run it in the background. So just go ahead and click the play button, and you could pretty much just run this video in the background. And that pretty much goes for every other video that is going to be, sent through the autoplay. So just make sure that you actually have a playlist on YouTube that you actually want to listen to, and you could just basically listen to it like this in the background without YouTube Premium. So if you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like on this video and subscribing to the channel. With that being said though, please subscribe, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.